day by day in the modern period, so our traveling needs are also increasing. The growth of technical knowledge paved the way for the development of means of transportation. The use of bicycles, scooters, autos, buses, cars, lorries, etc. are also increased. In addition, due to the growth of population, the number of pedestrians and also the number of road users are increasing in the alarming rate. In this way, the traffic in villages, towns, cities is gradually growing up. Everyone is in a hurry on the road to reach the destination on time. If they start little earlier to reach the destination, they can avoid this rush hour. This hurried movement on the road is one of the causes for the road accidents. In order to avoid accidents, we have to obey and follow the road rules strictly. So, we must know what the pavement markings on the roads indicate. Here is a video on the pavement markings, colors and design. Let's watch the video now, okay?
You might have noticed some pavement markings on the roads which will be either white or yellow, continuous or broken. Each of these road markings in India are actually different signs that grant permissions for driver on the road. Here is what each one of them means. First, single solid white line. If you are on a road with single solid white line, you cannot overtake a vehicle or make a U-turn. However, you may cross the line to avoid an obstructions or to exit the road to enter perpendicular road.
Single broken white line. This is the most common off-road markings in India. A broken white line indicates that you may change lanes, overtake vehicles or make a U-turn. After seeing that, it is safe to do so.
Double yellow lines. Double yellow lines can never be crossed unless it is to avoid major obstructions. It is usually used on two-lane roads. It is used to prevent the crossing over into lane with traffic going in the opposite direction. Double white lines. These are similar to double yellow lines. Neither traffic extreme is allowed to cross there. Also, where there is visibility restricted in both the directions, double continuous lines comes in use. Combination of solid and yellow broken lines. If you are driving on a road having combination of solid and broken yellow lines, then if the line on your side is continuous, you cannot cross it. If the line on your side is broken, you may cross it, overtake, only if it is safe to do so. White edge line. They are used to mark the limit of the main road up to which the driver can safely venture, but you should never drive over it. Yellow edge line. It indicates no parking area. You cannot stop on these lines and to drop passengers or to load or unload luggages. Stop line. This is marked before the pedestrian crossing and sets the deadline where the vehicle should stop before the traffic signal. I think through this video, you children have got a clear idea about the markings on the road. You, the future citizens, adhere the rules of road and we will be a role model to everyone. Try to create some awareness regarding these markings and rules which should be followed by everyone among yourselves and others. Children, you have learned about road markings. Now do the activity given here and have fun. Prepare a picture quiz for your family. Show a picture of the road markings to your family. Let the parents guess what each road marking means. Then award marks for each of them. Share your scores with your teachers. The family which scored high ratings will be given an appreciation card by the school. Thank you, children.